Niamh here in Tully Nurseries, and welcome to this week's YouTube video. We really have some special plants to show you this week. This is Alstroemeria Summer Break. It really is gorgeous with the pink, white and yellow flowers. We also have the taller ones called one that's shown now is called Apollo. So it's a taller in eventual habit, but really good for cut flowers for the whole summer. We also have a limited amount of our Nemesia Amelie left. Wisley sold out, was very popular this year. Also to show you the verbenas. Look how stunning they are, and they really are lovely and bushy. The Dahlia Karma series 3-litre dahlias, really special. We also saw these in our Dahlia trial fields last year, so check out those colours, absolutely gorgeous. We're really excited to have our hydrangea 3 litres and 7.5 litres paniculatas. I'm going to shoot another video of those, so I'll show you them tomorrow. Don't forget about Agapanthus Twister, and finally over here I'm going to show you our lovely Dianthus bowls. They're absolutely stunning, gorgeous colours, perfect for blessings of the grave or going to a garden party. Bit of an extreme there, but there's multiple uses for this product. As you can see, we're doing the trios as well as the single colours, and you can actually pick pink, grey or purple bowls, so whatever you fancy. So check out our list because these are absolutely stunning. Have a great weekend. I hope you get to the beach when you're not busy, and I'll talk to you next week. Thanks.